Ginger has been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for centuries. But how much do you really know about this zesty root? Prepare to have your mind blown and your taste buds awakened as we dive into the surprising benefits and hidden dangers of ginger. Benefits. 1. Digestive dynamo. Ginger helps alleviate nausea, motion sickness, and indigestion. It works wonders on your digestive system, making it a fantastic remedy for upset stomachs. 2. Anti-inflammatory hero. The active compound, gingerol, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect. This means it can reduce muscle pain, joint inflammation, and even protect against chronic diseases. 3. Immune booster. Loaded with vitamins and minerals, ginger strengthens your immune system, making it easier to fend off those pesky colds and flu. Hidden dangers. 1. Blood thinning. Ginger can have a blood thinning effect, which might be problematic for those on blood thinning medications or those with bleeding disorders. 2. Gastrointestinal issues. Overconsumption can lead to gastrointestinal distress, including heartburn and diarrhea. Moderation is key. 3. Allergic reactions. Though rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions, including rash or itching. Always test a small amount first. Ginger is a powerhouse of health benefits, but it's not without its pitfalls. So, before you sip that ginger tea or toss it into your stir-fry, make sure you're aware of both its perks and potential drawbacks. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more surprising insights.